out with the boys having breakfast. Look at this mob, will you? There's my new brother, my co-arms, my KTM 890R.
Root for the Orange Army.
Partnering
Yeah, look at this.
Sorry.
2 KTMs, 2
his fellow-
BMWs. I tell you what, quick, I got to turn it off before
His
Mark
fellow-
starts. Have a look at that. I hope this video does justice for Cannon Creek Road, and that's looking at the scenic rim. Absolutely magic. I hope this video does it justice. Cannon Creek Road, and of course the magic.